Hey YouTubers, if you have DSC fault pop up, or DSC brake fault pop up on the dash of your FG Falcon, it's probably just your brake switch, which is this little guy here. Very easy to replace. They're only about 30 bucks, genuine Ford one. I'll show you how to replace that now. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is your brake switch up under here. What you do, pull your brake pedal forward and turn it to the right, pull it out. There's a little clip just here, push that in, pull that out. Get rid of the old one, get the new one, pop the new one back in, just like so. And away we go. You just put your new one back in like this. It goes in only one way. Pull your brake pedal forward again and turn it till it clicks. There you go, that's the new one done. Okay, as you can see, we now have brake lights again. This is my mum's car. She basically told me that a fault was popping up on a dash and she didn't have brake lights. Nearly caused a few accidents. As you all know, it's very dangerous not to have brake lights. Problem solved. Cheers.